Okay, I'm gonna make a laundry soap out of this beauty, wild chestnuts. I foraged them about 2 weeks ago, and yeah, I'm just gonna chop them up, and I have a raw bag here. Chop them up, and then you can either, if you don't have a food processor or like some sort of a mixer, you can just, yeah, they look like this inside. You can just soak them in warm water overnight, and then you just strain them and you will have your laundry soap. But what I do to kind of have more surface space, I'm just gonna chop them like that, roughly, and then pop them in my food processor and have them chopped even more. And then I'm just gonna soak them in water over the night.
Friday morning.
Stars shining bright above me.
Okay, here I put about 3 cups of water. I would say, let me show you. It's really soapy. I just want to show you, this is the foam that is being created. As you can see, it's really soapy. Yeah, and you basically then strain it. You see, I use a strainer like this, and I just strain it. And now I'm going to the shower and use this really nice homemade organic soap. And right, enjoy. Okay, it's the morning after, and I strained the laundry soap, and this is the result. As you can see, it's really like liquid, but it has still this foam on the top. And then since it doesn't smell so much, it has a very gentle, earthy smell, I would suggest you to add maybe some essential oil, VOC, volatile organic compounds. This is what they are called, not essential oil. But yeah, you can add some extra smell like lavender. I like lavender. Yeah, as you like. And that's about it. And then you can use about maybe use fingers as a measurement, but you can use like about 2 fingers for each laundry session. But that really depends on how dirty is the laundry, how much you have to wash, like how many clothes and stuff. So really go and experiment about it, because it's so easy and cheap to make that you can actually maybe use extra if you want to see and cheap. So I hope you enjoy it, and it's really easy. So we chopped the wild chestnuts, we soak them in water. You can also mix them as I've done, because it's a lot more, you have a lot more surface space. And then we soak them in water overnight, and the day after we strain it, and this is the result. And it's really like milk, but I really like it. And I've been washing also my hair and and sometimes my body with it, and it turns out completely fine. But that's another topic, I would say. For now, you can just use it as a laundry soap, and research and learn about this, because it's the information are out there. So that's it.